So recently, one of Smosh's secondary channels, the Smosh Pit, did a very interesting challenge where they tried riding Splash Mountain 100 times. Unfortunately for them, they got nowhere near that amount of time. But of course, now it's my turn to try to attempt this challenge. Today is Sunday, July 7th, and it is about 9:30 in the morning. So hopefully I am able to do this challenge, or at least definitely beat them, even though they kind of cheated. Here we go, ride number one. The one benefit I truly have right now, that the line just goes ahead and puts you up in the front right away. As you can see, it's not a very sunny day as of right now. So as long as I'm able to keep this up as immediately as the ride's over, take my picture, get on back on, and hopefully as long as the day stays cloudy, I will definitely be having a huge advantage here. But of course, let's see how lucky we truly get today. I'm honestly gonna put my best attempt to doing this. So here we go, first drop. Alright, second time. Ride number 3. Note to self, cloudy day equals easy ride-ons to Splash Mountain. Negative note, it is super cold. Now this is ride number 4. This is ride number 5. So it is currently 10:30, pretty much on the dot. Barely got done with my 5th ride of Splash Mountain. And if I'm only able to do 5 in an hour, that means this ride is almost nearly impossible to do 100 ride-throughs. Maybe if you do it like all day and you're like me, who's just getting on it real quick, but the likelihood of that are slim to none. As long as I do beat Smosh with their sheeted number of 20, I think I should be good with this challenge. Not so much 100 rides, but at least 21 rides. And this is of course ride number 6, ride number 7, ride number 8, ride number 9, ride number 10. So it is 11:45 right around. I have completed 10 rides of Splash Mountain. I feel very proud of myself. I'm gonna celebrate by getting a little bit of food at the Hungry Bear. So I'm gonna put a pause on this, especially since my back has definitely started hurting a bit. So once I get a bite to eat, we will definitely be resuming back onto our Splash Mountain adventure. So it's now about 12:30. Break is over, lunch is over. So let's continue going on Splash Mountain. I'm pretty sure it's gonna take another 2 hours to probably do this, so around 2:33. Hopefully, being that the line stays short. Ride 11, ride number 12, drop number 13. Well, it's still cold. So I'm on ride 13. Single rider is starting to get a lot fuller. The ride is definitely going to be taking a lot longer now. So hopefully I'll be able to do this around 4. Realize I didn't say that the other drops, but ride number 14, ride number 15, ride 16. Yeah! So I just did ride number 16. There's seriously not an inch of my body that is not wet. Like seriously, this is the most wet I've been. All because I sat in the front. Drop number 17. Ride 18. Number 19. So the time is now 4 o'clock. That means I'm in here for 6 hours. And after 6 hours of riding nothing but Splash Mountain, number 200. We did not come all this way just to tie with Smosh, even though I'm beating them by like a long shot. But nonetheless, we did not come here to tie. We have come here to win. Here we go! 21! Yeah! It is now 4:15. That means in 6 hours and 45 minutes, I was able to do Splash Mountain 21 times, regardless of the pain and suffering I definitely went through today after almost 7 hours. At the end of the day, I get to say I rode Splash Mountains 21 times in one day, and I got to beat Smosh with their acclaimed 20 rides. So that'll be it for today's video. If you want to see more nerd stuff, theme park stuff, and fun stuff, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you want to see more challenges on this channel, make sure to drop that like and leave a comment down below of what challenge I should do next at a theme park, or just what you want to see as a next video. And as always guys, I hope to see you all in the next video.